quick video. Mama and puppies are doing great. Hi, Megan. Megan has all puppies on rotation. Those puppies just ate. Don't forget all their ticking and roan color comes in a couple of weeks. All puppies are born white. Just like Dalmatians, they get their spots later. Babe, you're such a good mama.